everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to lubricate your puzzle, a 5x5. So for this I'll be using a YJ U-Chuang. It's a bit tough to get this puzzle apart, so if you have a shank or some cube like that, so you can directly just take the pieces off. So all you need to do is take one corner section off. I'll be back once I take it out. Okay, so I'm back. So all we need to do is first take the corner piece, take your lube and apply some right here on these two ridges right there. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, there we go. So apply it right here on both of those two ridge type things. One there, one line here, and a little line here. Do the same thing on top. Oops, okay, some there and some there. Okay, so sorry for that. Then you need to put this back inside. So there we go. Now take your edge piece. Whoops. Yeah, so take your edge piece. Let me zoom out. Okay, so take your edge piece and fit it back in there. Let's see if it goes. Yeah, there we go. Then take your center piece, put back. Okay, where's the other one? Yeah, there we go. Okay, come on, let's go. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, so now what you need to do is take your center piece. Okay, first we'll take the edge piece, sorry. Take your edge piece, put a thin line of lube right there, right here. And a little bit right there. And do the same thing on the opposite side. Just here. That's it. You can put your edge piece back inside the cube. And now take your center piece and put some lube inside right there. Okay. So that's enough. Put it back. So now let me just tighten this up. Okay. It's feeling a bit sluggish right now, but okay, yeah, it feels smooth again. Just do a couple of turns on this cube. Shuffle as well if you want, or solve it and stuff. Just turn this puzzle a lot, break it in, and oh wow, this feels so better now. Okay, lock up. So yeah, it feels much better now. So that's how we lube our cubes. So if you like this video, give it a like and please subscribe. It helps me a lot. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.